back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely amazing day. Again, thank you for being here. I am so glad to have you. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. But as you can see from the description, we are going to get into an Allure box. Now, you guys, if you've been here, you've seen a couple of videos, I've had some issues with Allure. So, I've just taken the plastic off. Don't know what this box will be. Fingers are crossed that this will be the October 2018 box. Because just like a week ago, I opened the September 2018, and just a few days prior to that, I opened what turned out to be the October 2017 box. So, we're gonna dive in here and see, again, hoping that this is October 2018. So, let's just get to it. For those of you that are not aware, Allure is a $15 a month beauty subscription, and you generally receive 5 to 6 sample items, deluxe size items. Usually you can get your first month for $10, but then like I said, it is $15 a month after that. And usually the products you receive with Allure are a little on the higher end. There is always a beautiful little magazine that comes with it, tells you about each product, and always a beautiful lady on the front. So let's see if this tells me. Okay, this is October 2018. So we are finally on track here with Allure. So, when it is packed, I thought it felt kind of heavy. So you can see here everything that's in it. So now we will just go one by one. Excuse me. All right, here we have by Hourglass the Caution Extreme Lash Mascara in Ultra Black. So this is the packaging, which is super cute. And then get it to come out of the box. There we go. Oh, that's unique. It's like a triangle. So it says Caution and then Hourglass. And it's just a typical wand. So that is nice. Let's see here what it says in our little book. Okay, the full price would be $29. And says, on the first coat, the black formula covered my naturally thin, light lashes so well that they appeared longer. By the second and third, my lashes started hitting my eyebrows. So, I know that is a really good brand, so I am super excited to try that. So, yay. And the next item, I actually just received this in my Ipsy this month. So this is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. It says intense hydration for dry, parched skin. This is for, you know, you can use this on your face, body. This is kind of an all over lotion. Let's see what the full size. And this is a really, it's 1 fluid ounce. So that's actually a really good size, and it does feel very full. The price is $12 for 2 ounces or $30 for 6 ounces. So this being 1 ounce, this is a $6 value right here. So that's awesome. And the next product I see, oh, is by Caudalie. Vino Pure Serum Skin Perfecting Serum. The full size is $49. I'm showing you guys the back. The full size is $49, and this is 0.33 ounces. Let's see here. The gel-like formula, which smells fresh in a minty herbal kind of way, contains the antioxidant niacinamide to soothe skin immediately and calm redness over time. Plus, it's got moisturizing sodium hyaluronate along with oil regulating salicylic acid, so it's ideal for balancing combination skin. What does all that mean? It clears up flakiness, quiets yawning pores around the nose and cheeks, and is so light you can wear it under makeup with no problem. So yay for a serum. I love Claude Daly. They make amazing products. So that's really awesome. So that's already 3 products, and I still see more in here. This is interesting looking. What is this? This is BKR Paris Water Balm. That is cute. I like how it kind of came in like this little bag. And it came with like, did it come with instructions? It says an innovative glossy balm conceived in San Francisco and formulated in Paris for the girl who, when asked what she wants out of life, says everything. This softening reparative treatment is a proprietary transformative complex of rose, algae, and essential biolipids with a peppery French rose scent. Okay. We getting all fancy. Let's see. Full size would be $22. So it's just a little sample. I don't really smell anything, but you can never go wrong with lip balm, especially this time of year. And oh, is this another lip product? Oh, I'm getting excited. Yes, it is. Okay. This is by YSL. Tatouage Couture Matte Liquid Lip Stain. There's a reason YSL is YSL. Man, do they know makeup. Their matte stain is more opaque than most, so you get a wash of color with serious oomph. Angled applicator creates the crispest Cupid's bow, which is tough to achieve with liquidy formulas, and it's long wearing, but somehow miraculously it doesn't dry out lips. Full size is $37. And it looks like this could have come in 4 different colors. And mine, they don't have the names. It says number 23, but it does appear to be like a very pretty nude. So we will do a little swatch. Okay, and the doe foot applicator is a little different. If you look, it's kind of wider, like thin, wider down, or thin, it gets wider as it goes down. Oh, that's very soft. That's so pretty. Love that. Yay. Okay. Well, Allure, I'm actually very, very happy with you right now. Ooh, and I'm excited about this. Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. Full size is $105. I received another sample, I believe in the same size of this, from Birchbox or Ipsy, and this stuff is amazing. It says deeply exfoliates the dull surfaces of the skin for clarity, radiance, and younger looking skin. Excuse me. It says this multitasking lactic acid treatment exfoliates dull, pore clogging, dead skin cells to instantly clarify and reveal smoother, clearer looking skin. Together with skin brightening licorice, this super concentrated treatment visually reduces the look of dark spots, age spots, and discolorations for naturally brighter, more even-toned skin. Formula is clinically proven to immediately plump the look of fine lines and boost radiance in just 3 minutes. And you guys, this stuff, like I said, the Sunday Riley Good Genes, this is amazing. I love it. So I'm super excited to have this in the box as well. So we are already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, and there is still 1 item left. So 7 items for October 2018. It's a good size. It's also Sunday Riley. Sunday Riley Ceramic Slip Cleanser. Oh, I'm excited about this. This is 1 fluid ounce. It says gentle plant-based cleanser pulls out impurities while pulling in clean hydration for smaller looking pores and a clean, radiant complexion. And it says it's for all skin types with French green clay and rice oil esters. And the full size of this would be $35. I'm gonna smell it. It does have a safety seal, so that is awesome. We love safety seals. Now if I could just get the safety seal off, because I want to smell it. Doesn't really have a strong scent. It doesn't have a strong scent. I mean, it doesn't stink or anything. It's just, there's really not much of a scent. So this is one though, the Claudella. This said something about mint, and I should have smelled this earlier. I apologize. I'm actually just gonna put a little bit. I also want to see what this feels like. Oh, and I can smell the little bit of mint. Oh, that smells so fresh. And you guys, it's already soaked into my skin and so soft. It's not tacky or anything. Oh, okay. So, Allure. Yes. It took us almost 3 months, but yes. Thank you so much. So, we got the Hourglass Mascara, the Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment, the Sunday Riley Ceramic Slip Facial Cleanser, the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, the Claudella Skin Perfecting Serum. We got the BKR Water Balm and my hands are full, the YSL Liquid Matte Stain. So we got 7 amazing products from Allure this month. I couldn't be happier. I am just yay. Thank you, Allure, for finally getting on the ball and giving us a great box, and it actually arriving when it was supposed to. So again, Allure is $15 a month, and your first month, if you have not signed up, is $10. I will make sure to put a link down below if you would like to sign up, because as you can see, I have a huge smile on my face for this video with Allure. So they do send out amazing products, and I'm very happy with this. So again, the link will be below if you would like to sign up. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a wonderful night, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video. Again, if you are new, please hit subscribe and join our YouTube family. I will talk with you guys at the next video. Bye.